Which of the following are the cubes of even and odd numbers? So these are the numbers. We have to find out that which numbers are the cube of odd numbers and which are of even numbers. Solution will be, as we know, that an odd number is always a cube of an odd number and an even number is always a cube of an even number. So 343, 125 and 729. These are the cubes of odd numbers. Since they are odd numbers, so these are the cube of odd numbers. So let's find out. These are the cube. 343 is the cube of 7. 125 is the cube of 5. And 729 is the cube of 9. So these are odd numbers and their cubes will also be odd numbers. Now 512, 216 and 64. These are the cubes of even numbers. Since they are even numbers and they will be the cubes of even numbers. So let's find out the number. 512 is the cube of 8. 216 is the cube of 6 and 64 is the cube of 4.